So in this video, we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT for personalized WhatsApp responses on form submission. Now this is going to be an interesting automation. In this automation, we are going to receive a new form submission in Elementor and we are going to send the same form responses to ChatGPT. And using ChatGPT, we are going to create a personalized text, a personalized message for the same response which we have received from Elementor. Now let's say I have a business and in my business, I provide multiple services. And for those services, to get the leads, I have added a website form using Elementor. Now in that form, I'm asking the user some details, some services which they are required and what is the description, what are their requirements. I'm getting all of these details from the Elementor form submission. So in this automation, what we are going to do, whenever we are going to receive a new form submission, the same responses, the same services which they are looking for and their requirement will be sent to ChatGPT. And using ChatGPT, I'm going to create a personalized WhatsApp message to send to the same person on the basis of their requirement. And after generating the message using WhatsApp Cloud API, official API of WhatsApp of Meta, we are going to send the same message on WhatsApp to the person who made the form submission. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this automation all by yourself, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is a form I have created using Elementor for my website. In this form, I'm asking their personal details like name, email, mobile number, and also I have added a list of services which I offer and what are they actually looking for. So they can select the interested service in and they can describe that what is their problem or what is the thing they are looking for, what is their requirement. Now, on the basis of the service they choose and their requirement, using ChatGPT, I'm going to create a personalized WhatsApp message for them and send the same WhatsApp message to them as well as they make the form submission. So we are going to automatically send a WhatsApp message on the form submission, but it will be a personalized message. Let me show this to you with the help of a real-time example. I'm just going to enter the details of a dummy user over here. This is the name, email, mobile number. And after that, here I'm just going to enter the service in which they are interested in. Let's say I'm selecting web development and then they are looking for this. I want to create a website for my jewelry business and showcase all the jewelry designs on it. So I'm just going to make a dummy form submission over here. Let's click on submit. As I click on submit here, you can see automatically within seconds, a WhatsApp message will be sent to the same number which they have entered over here. And in that WhatsApp message, we are going to make that WhatsApp message personalized on the basis of the details or the service which they have entered or selected over here while making this form submission. So within a few seconds, we are going to get the WhatsApp message over here. And yes, here you can see within seconds, we have received this WhatsApp message. Let's read this message. Hi demo, we have the name of the same person which we have entered while submitting the form. Thank you for contacting us. We are thrilled to assist with your needs. Sure, we excel at shaping online presence for businesses like yours. Our expertise in web development can help create an appealing and user-friendly website to beautifully showcase your jewelry design, enhancing their appeal to potential clients. One of our team members will get back to you soon with a tailored solution just for you. Best regard, XYZ Business. So here you can see whatever requirement we have entered while making the form submission. On that basis, this WhatsApp template message is customized and sent to the user who made the form submission. Now what we are going to do, we are going to see the step-by-step guide that how you can create this kind of automation for your own website or for your own business. So in this video, I'm just taking an example of Elementor form, but you can set up the same automation for any online form building application for your choice. And to create this automation, we are going to use an amazing automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect. And to access Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you're new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. And here we just have to click on Access Now below Pabbly Connect. And as we click on Access Now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Here we have to create an automation workflow. So just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I will name it as Elementor to ChatGPT to WhatsApp. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Right now, I'm giving this particular name over here. Then after that, just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation. And then just click on Create. Now as we click on create here, you can see the automation workflow will open in front of us. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger window. Now the idea here is, so first we are going to connect the form which we have created in Elementor with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever we are going to receive a new form submission, a new response in this form, automatically the same responses are received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger, it will start. Then after that, using the same Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the messages. Like we are asking for the service they are interested in and what is their requirement over here in the text box. So we are going to send both of these details to ChatGPT or you can send it to any other AI platform of your choice. And using that, we are going to generate a specific paragraph or specific text which we are going to add in our WhatsApp message. And after ChatGPT, after getting that specific text or personalized message from ChatGPT, we are going to send the WhatsApp message using WhatsApp Cloud API, which is an official API by Meta for WhatsApp. So we are going to send the WhatsApp message with this kind of template, and in the template, we are going to add the text, personalized text given by ChatGPT. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window, here in Choose App, we will search for Elementor. Just select it. After selecting Elementor in trigger event in the drop-down, select the trigger event as new form submission. After selecting this trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. And now we have to add this webhook URL in our Elementor form so that we can get the form responses from Elementor in our Pabbly Connect workflow. And to add this webhook URL, we just have to follow the instructions given below over here. We will just copy the webhook URL from here and go to the Elementor form which we have created. So this is the form from which I'm going to get the responses over here. This is the form which I have created and I have opened this form in edit mode. After that, after opening the form, just hover on it and click on this edit button on the top right corner. And after that, here from the left sidebar, go to actions after submit. Here under actions after submit, from this drop down, we have to select this option of webhook. And as we select webhook, here you can see another option of webhook is added over here. Just click on it and here we get the field to add the webhook URL. The same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect, we have to paste the same webhook URL over here. And after pasting this webhook URL, just click on update. Now as we click on update, you can see this webhook URL is added in this form. And now whenever we are going to receive a new form submission, the form responses will be sent to webhook URL, means to Pabbly Connect. So let's check it. Here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, it is showing us waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response of form submission from Elementor. So let's do it. We will just go to the form which we have opened in preview mode. I'll just refresh it and we are going to make a form submission over here. This time the name of the person is test user. This is the email address over here. This is a dummy mobile number. So whatever mobile number we are going to enter over here, on the same number we will be sending the personalized WhatsApp message. The service they are interested in is, for example, content creation. And let's see what we are looking for. So for example, I want to add a description as we are looking for some content for our social media platforms and website. So this is a short description which I have added. We are looking for some organic content, for example. We are looking for some organic content for our social media platforms and website. Now, after entering these details, let's click on submit. And as we click on submit here, you can see in Elementor, we have received a form submission, a form response. And because we have connected this Elementor form with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, within few seconds, we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the details of the same form submission. Here you can see the same description, same requirement which we have added in our form. Here you can see the same service they are interested in. We have the same mobile number, last name, first name, and email address as well. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have connected our Elementor form with Pabbly Connect and received the form responses in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. In step 2, by sending these details, by sending the requirement and the service they are interested in, we want to generate a personalized text which we are going to send to that person using ChatGPT. So in the next step, we are going to send these details to ChatGPT and generate a personalized message for them. So for that, we will just scroll down, click on this action step, and here in Choose App, search for ChatGPT over here. Just select it. After selecting ChatGPT, in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Ask ChatGPT. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our ChatGPT account, or should I say our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. So to get it, just go to your OpenAI account, and after coming here, we have to go to this API key section on the left sidebar. Here we just have to click on this create new API key button over here and give this key a name. Let's say I'll name it as WhatsApp messages. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the project for which you want to generate the API key, select the permission as all, and click on this create secret key button. Now as we click on this create secret key button over here, the API key is generated. Just copy this API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. So we have generated the API key in our OpenAI account, and after generating this key, adding it over here, click on save. And as we click on save, here you can see our ChatGPT account, or should I say our OpenAI account, will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is to select the AI model. So in this drop down, you can see a list of all the models of ChatGPT which is offered by OpenAI which are available. Now out of all of them, using which particular model we want to generate the text message, we have to select that. Let's say I want to use the GPT-4 model over here, so I'm selecting GPT-4, and then it is asking us for the prompt. That what is the prompt you want to give to ChatGPT to generate the message. So I have already created a prompt. Let me add that prompt over here. Okay, so this is the prompt which I want to give to ChatGPT. Now in this prompt, whatever service the user is interested in, we are going to mention that service over here, and whatever requirement, the text which they have entered in the form submission, we are also going to mention the same text over here in this prompt. Now after that, we have the rest of the text prompt over here, and also the WhatsApp message template which we have created in Cloud API. We have mentioned that WhatsApp message template over here as well. So let me just do a little bit of formatting with this template, and then we are going to discuss this prompt as well as the template which we have created as well. So this is the complete prompt and template. You are given the following form responses: service interested in and requirement. So we are going to mention both of these details over here. Then my prompt says, generate a short, personalized and an engaging text addressing how we can help the user with the service they are interested in. This line should serve as a sales or marketing pitch. The generated line will be used in the WhatsApp message template. Ensure the text does not exceed 300 characters. Keep it short and crisp. Do not give me the complete message in response, only provide the text to add in place of this variable 2. So we have written 2 in double curly braces because we are referring to the template which we have given over here, the WhatsApp template. We are going to see that in a couple of minutes. You can break the message into 2 paragraphs if needed for proper formatting. And after that, here you can see the WhatsApp message template which we have created in WhatsApp Cloud API. We have entered that template over here. In this template, you can see we have written numbers in these double curly braces, and we have added these numbers because these text or these details are dynamic, which means these details will be keep on changing for every WhatsApp message we send. So after hi, we wanted to mention the name of the person who has made the form submission to whom we are sending the WhatsApp message. That's why we have added a variable, a dynamic text over here, variable 1 in double curly braces over here. And in place of variable 2, we are going to add the text actually generated by ChatGPT in the actual template message in the next step. So to send WhatsApp messages using Cloud API, first we have to create a template message and we have to get that template approved from Facebook, or should I say Meta. And once the template is approved, we can use that template message to send the WhatsApp messages. We will learn more about how you can create these kind of template messages in a couple of minutes in the next step. But right now, this is the prompt I have given. If you want, instead of this, you can basically modify this prompt, change this prompt, or add some other details related to your businesses or the services which you are offering in this prompt as well. But right now, I just want to keep that simple. Now, after entering the prompt, here we want to enter the service they are interested in and the requirement. And we have received both of these details from Elementor in the trigger step response. So here from the trigger step responses, we want to add this response of the requirement and the service they have selected to this ChatGPT action step. And we are going to use a process called mapping to do so. So to add the responses, to add the details from the previous step to this ChatGPT step, just click on this field of prompt and in front of service interested in, here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the responses of form submission we have received from Elementor. Out of all of these responses, select the response of services they have selected and it will be mapped. Then after that, just click here in front of requirement and then from the drop down, select the response of requirement. In this way, whatever service and requirement they are going to select and enter in the form submission, the same responses will be received inside Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. And in this automation, we are going to send the same responses, same details to ChatGPT in this prompt as well. Now, after mentioning both of these details and giving this prompt and mentioning the WhatsApp message template in this prompt, we are just going to click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, mentioning the WhatsApp message template in this prompt is optional. If you want, you can choose not to enter it as well. But I have entered it so that I can give a reference to ChatGPT that what kind of message we are sending. Now, after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response. And in this response, in front of message content, here you can see the text. The message is generated by ChatGPT. The personalized message is created. And the message is, great to hear you are interested in our content creation service. We specialize in crafting organic content designed to engage and grow your online audience across all platforms. Whether it's for social media or your website, we assure you that our bespoke content will perfectly match your brand's voice and vision. So this is just a generalized response, but if you are going to specify this prompt, if you are going to mention or enter some kind of details related to your business or the services or kind of portfolios you have over here to ChatGPT, it will give you a more precise and more personalized message in the response as well. So it's all about the details you are mentioning in the prompt. You can basically create this kind of prompt and specify your business details and service details in it. So this is the kind of message I have generated over here. This is the kind of text I want to add in the WhatsApp message. So the step 2 of setting up this automation is also completed. We have basically created a personalized text for the WhatsApp message as well using ChatGPT on the basis of form responses we have received from Elementor. Now let's move to step 3. In step 3, we want to send this same text and add it in the template which we have created using Cloud API and send the WhatsApp message. For that, we will just scroll down, click on this Add Action Step button over here, and here in Choose App, we are going to search for WhatsApp Cloud API. Just select it. Now, instead of WhatsApp Cloud API, if you want, you can use any other official API service of WhatsApp as well. But right now, I'm using this. Then come to Action Event, and here from this drop-down, select Send Template Message. Because to send a WhatsApp message first from your end to the user, we have to send a template message. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID of our WhatsApp Cloud API account. Now you must be thinking how you can get all of these details. So to get these details, just go to your WhatsApp Cloud API account. So here it is. Now, if you have not created your WhatsApp Cloud API account and if you don't know how to create it, we have a dedicated video on that as well. And you will get the link of that video in the description box below. By referring to that video, you will learn that how you can set up your own WhatsApp Cloud API account. After creating your account, you will come to this API setup section over here. And here at this section, you can see the temporary access token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. Now, using these details, you can connect your WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. But the access token which we get here is a temporary access token. This means this token will expire every 24 hours. But don't worry, there is a way using which you can generate a permanent access token for WhatsApp Cloud API which will never expire. And if you want to learn that how you can generate the permanent access token and use it to connect with Pabbly Connect, we have a dedicated video on that as well. And you will get the link of that video in the description box below too. But right now in this video, I'm just going to refer to this temporary access token and use it to make the connection for now. So just copy the access token from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. Then after that, let's copy the phone number ID, paste it over here. And also we are going to copy the business account ID and paste it over here as well. After entering these details of our WhatsApp Cloud API account, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see our WhatsApp Cloud API account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the template name. Now to send the WhatsApp messages using WhatsApp Cloud API, first we have to create a template of the message which we want to send. And we have to get that template approved from Facebook, or should I say Meta. And once the template is approved, we can use that template message to send WhatsApp messages to our users, to the people who are making the form submission. So if you want to create your WhatsApp Cloud API template messages, just go to your Cloud API section, scroll down, and here in step 2, at last, you can see this hyperlink. Just click on it and it will take you to the message template section of WhatsApp Cloud API. And here at that section, you will see a list of all the template messages which you have created in your WhatsApp Cloud API account. Now, out of all of this, if you want to start creating a new template, you can click on this Create Template button. But right now, I have already created a template message in WhatsApp Cloud API. So the name of this template is Personalized Message. Let me show this to you. So this is the kind of WhatsApp message I want to send to the user who are making the form submission. In this message, after hi, I'm going to mention the name of the person who is making the form submission. Let me just open this template in edit mode and it will be more easy to understand. So here after hi, I wanted to mention the name of the person, and then here you can see that in this template message, I have added a variable named as to. Now in place of this variable, whatever text, whatever personalized text or personalized message ChatGPT is going to give us in our automation workflow, we are going to add it over here in place of variable 2. Then the message says one of our team members will reach out to you with a tailored solution just for you. Best regards, XYZ company. So this is the kind of WhatsApp message. It is a simple message. We are just entering the name of the person and the personalized text, personalized message generated by ChatGPT. And we have basically created this template message and entered this exact same template message in our ChatGPT prompt as well. So in the previous step, you saw in the ChatGPT prompt that I have entered the WhatsApp message template over here. So this is the same template which we have created in WhatsApp Cloud API. Now, after creating the template here, after getting this template approved, as you can see over here, we have to select this same template in our WhatsApp Cloud API account action step. So here in template name, in this drop down, you can see a list of all the templates which we have created in our WhatsApp Cloud API account. Out of all of this, using which particular template we want to send the messages, we have to select it. So personalized message, this is a template which we are going to use in this video. After selecting the template, the language code and template ID are automatically detected, so we don't have to make any changes over here. Then it is asking us for the recipient mobile number. That what is the mobile number of the person to whom we want to send the WhatsApp message. And we have to enter the recipient mobile number with country code but without the plus sign. So from Elementor, we have received the mobile number of the people who made the form submission on which we want to send the WhatsApp messages. And this is the 10 digits mobile number. The country code is missing over here. So what we are going to do, we are going to map this response of mobile number from Elementor responses to this WhatsApp Cloud API action step. And here, because we are not getting the country code from Elementor, I'll just manually enter the country code of India, that is 91. And after that, from Elementor responses, let's map the 10 digits mobile number. After mapping the recipient mobile number, it is asking us body field 1 and body field 2. So here in our template message, we have created two variables, field 1, body field 1 and body field 2. Now, in place of body field 1, what is the text? What is the value we want to add in our WhatsApp message? We have to enter it over here. So we wanted to mention the name of the person who made the form submission in body field 1. So we will just click here from the drop down from Elementor responses, select the response of first name and map it. Then in place of body field 2, we wanted to enter the text given by ChatGPT over here. So just click here from the drop down from ChatGPT responses, select the response of text and map it. So in this way, what is going to happen? The text given by ChatGPT will be added in the WhatsApp message and the name which they have entered while making the form submission on the same name. By the same name, we are going to send the WhatsApp message as well. Now, if you want, you can create multiple body fields as well. If you want, you can enter as many variables as you want in this WhatsApp message and then create the template as per your requirement. I wanted a simple message, that's why I've created this simple template over here and selected the same template in our Pabbly Connect workflow and entered all the details. Now, after entering all the details over here, what we are going to do, we just have to click on save and send test request. But the mobile number which we have entered in form submission, which we have mapped over here, is a dummy mobile number. So what I am going to do, I'll just enter my actual mobile number whose WhatsApp account I have opened in the new tab. And after that, we will just try to send the WhatsApp message on that number for the testing purpose only. So let's click on save and send test request. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that a WhatsApp message is being sent on the same number which we have entered over here. So let's check the WhatsApp account. We will just go to WhatsApp web over here and open the chat. And here within few seconds we will see we are going to receive the WhatsApp message. And yes, here you can see within few seconds we have received the WhatsApp message, and the message is, "Hi test, we have the name of the same person which we have entered while making the form submission. Thank you for contacting us. We are thrilled to assist with your needs. Great to hear you are interested in our content creation service." So here in this message you can see we have entered the name of the person, and here in this template message we have the same text given by ChatGPT, the personalized response for the form submission which was given by ChatGPT. We have added that response in our WhatsApp message as well. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once in real time. For that, we'll just go back to our form and we are going to make another form submission. This time the name of the person is dummy user over here. This is the email address. This is the mobile number which we are entering. And then the service in which they are interested in is email marketing. And then this is the description I want to add. This is the requirement. We aim to establish an email marketing campaign for our business to keep our users informed with the latest news and updates. So what we have done, we have selected the service which the user is interested in is email marketing, and we have added this description with the other user details. Now let's click on submit, and as we click on submit, here you can see we have received a form submission in Elementor. After receiving this form submission, we will see instantly within seconds, a personalized WhatsApp message will be sent to the same person who made the form submission. Right now, because in our workflow, we have updated the recipient number with our own number, so we are going to receive a response right now on our own number within few seconds. So let's wait for a response over here. And yes, here you can see within seconds, a WhatsApp message is received. "Hi dummy, we have the name of the same person which we have entered in form submission. Thank you for contacting us. We are thrilled to assist with your needs." Absolutely. We specialize in creating compelling email marketing campaigns. Trust us to tailor one of your business that ensures your users are always in sync with your updates and news. We have strategies that love inbox and result that make business smile. So we have a personalized WhatsApp message over here on the basis of the form responses which we have received in Elementor directly sent to the person instantly within few seconds. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. Now after setting up this automation, in this WhatsApp Cloud API step, what we are going to do, we are going to update the recipient mobile number with the map number. So we'll just map the mobile number from the responses of Elementor and click on this save button. And as we click on save, this workflow is ready to go. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.